Hello and welcome to my channel Arun Excel Biotech. Excel make life easy. Today in this tutorial we are going to learn four basic formulas of Excel: left, mid, right and find. We use these formulas to find the information from the raw data. So here we have one very symmetrical data, and from this data we want to fetch the left information from this data using a formula called left. For this we first press the equals to sign and write a left. As we write a left, it asks us the in the syntax, it asks the text is our this, and it asks the character, how many characters we want from the left side. So as you can see, we have 6 characters in the left before the hyphen mark. So as we put a 6, bracket close and enter. So you see it clearly fetch the information from the data, and if we drag down, it's completely bring the whole information from the left side of the data. Now if we want a middle information from the data, how we gonna to do with using the mid function. So as we write the mid, it asks text. So again the text is same, comma, it asks the start number. So from which number we want to fetch the information. So if we count, senders was a 6 and including hyphen is a 7. So the meaning start from the number 8. So if we put a number 8, comma, and number characters, from the 8 how many characters you want to fetch the information. So meaning, as we can see, is a 6 characters. So from number 8 to 6 we want to fetch the information. As we press the enter, you can see it brings the information unique, and as we drag down, it have a complete information. And now from the this data, we want to fetch the right information from this raw data. So with the right function we press, and again it asks two things in the syntax: text and a number character. So we give the text, comma, and number character. So we can see here from the right side we need only 5 characters. We close the parenthesis and enter. So as we did, it bring all the information completely here. So these are the three functions, easiest functions: left, mid and right. But how do we gonna use the find function? And when we use the find function, we are going to use the find function. When we are using the find function we are using when the data is a little complex. As you can see here, this second data have a little complexity, because the left characters somewhere are 4 characters, 5 characters, more than 5, less than 3, less than 4. So how we gonna to fetch the information correctly from the left side without getting any unwanted characters in the fetch information? So for example, if we use a left formula here and give the command like this, and first have a left side is a 4 character 4, and close the parenthesis and hit the enter. Okay, for first it bring the complete information, but as we drag down, you can see here some unwanted informations are coming, like here, here, here. So how we gonna rid of these underscore or unwanted informations? So for this we are going to use a function called find. Find means we can see. So how we can rid of this unwanted information? For this we have to use a find function. So find function will give us the position of this underscore in the whole data. So as you can see, find function is asking what is what text we want to find. We want to find underscore text because we are giving, because it's not a numeric function, numeric. So we are putting in a double quotes because it's a text value, giving comma, and it's saying which within the text, which text we are finding. This one we are finding in this text, this comma and start number. Of course, we want to find its position from the first character, so we are giving 1 and close the parenthesis and hit the enter. As you can see, the find function giving us the position of underscore in the data, and if we drag down, so everywhere is giving its position. Somewhere is a 5, somewhere is a 6, somewhere is a 4. So different data, different information from the left side. So now we want all the information left side of this underscore value. So if we put our left function here, and left function is asking a text comma, the number of character. If we say number of character is a 5, we want, so here we can use the find function, this, and as we use a find function, find the text as we earlier use the find function, and find text. What we are going to give here, we are going to give here this, and within the text this, and start the text from 1 and close the parenthesis double time and enter. As you can see, as we use this function and we press down, we have our left values completely, but it's bringing underscore everywhere, and we don't need underscore value in our data. So what is we gonna to do, we need all the values left side of this underscore. So we press our F2 function, and here, because we need a one less character from the underscore value, we write here -1. So what it gonna to do, it gonna to bring only the left values from the underscore value. We put the enter, as you can see, and I will copy this formula down. You can see it bring it all the left informations very nicely, neatly from the raw data, where we can convert this complex data very simply from text to columns by using a function text to column. So let me show you how we convert this data from text to column. Let me first we copy this data from here and paste here, and after that we go in a data function, that data, and in the data menu here we have text to column function. As we hit the text to column function, a window will open in front of us. It asks delimited and fixed width, so we keep as a delimited data, hit the next button, and as you see, as a delimiter we have a 5 options: tab, semicolon, comma, space, and others. So in the others we put our underscore mark. As we put the underscore mark, this data is separated at the position of underscore. So after that we again hit the next button. It gives us the preview and it asks the destination also. So we keep our data here on the destination and give it, and just hit the finish button. As we hit the finish button, you can see data is here and it's nicely separated into column from text to column using a text to column function. So guys, I hope you understand how to use left, mid, right, and find function. I hope you will use this function in a very different formulas, very different kind of data. For example, name, surname, middle name kind of data, finding a data in the table, from the left side of the table, from the right side of the table. So there are so many ways where you can use left function with the find function, mid function with the find, right with the find, and third one text to column also. Thanks for the watching. If you like the video, don't forget to give it one thumbs up, and if you want to improve your Excel skills, please try to consider my channel. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.